Oh, welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and in this video I'm going to show you all screenshot methods on this device. Alright, so first way to screenshot is just clicking power button and volume down button at the same time, like this. Oh. That's how you screenshot. Second one is just, for example, opening up, I don't know, YouTube. Now going like this, and right here we have a screenshot button. And to do third way is, first we need to open settings, go way down to the system, gestures, quick tap to start actions. Now we have to enable use quick tap, and we have to choose take screenshot. And now when I double tap back of my phone, I'm gonna take a screenshot. Look. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!